Hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it is time to get cooking. And look what I have made today, guys. A delicious blueberry yogurt cake. Oh, this is so yummy. It is super easy to make. It only has 4 ingredients. So let me show you how to make it. All right, guys. So this blueberry yogurt cake could not be any easier. Just 4 ingredients. You will need your yogurt, blueberries, eggs, and cornstarch. That's all. So let me show you how to make it. So I have 2 cups of a Greek yogurt, and this is what I used, an organic vanilla bean Greek yogurt. And to that, I'm going to add 4 eggs. And then just whisk until all the eggs are incorporated. Next, you will need 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I just have a strainer here and I'm gonna sift this cornstarch into my egg and yogurt mixture. And just give it a stir. All right, so you will need a 6-inch springform pan, and I have just pressed in some parchment paper, and then just pour in your batter. And then 1 cup of blueberries, just want to scatter them all in to the cake. And then bake your cake in a 340-degree oven for about 50 to 55 minutes until the center is completely set. So my blueberry yogurt cake has come out of the oven, and I have let this chill in my refrigerator for 6 hours, but you could do this even overnight if you wanted to. And now I'm going to take it out of the springform pan and show you guys what it looks like. Oh my goodness, guys, isn't this cake absolutely beautiful? I cannot wait to show you what it looks like on the inside. This is so good. It's creamy. It really reminds me of like a cheesecake. And I drizzled just a little bit of honey right over my piece of cake here just to give it a touch more sweetness. There is no added sugar to this cake. The only sweetness you get is from the Greek yogurt. But that is completely up to you. You do not have to do that. Oh, but this is so good, guys. And I like to think it's a little bit healthier than a normal cheesecake because it's got your Greek yogurt, your eggs, a lot of protein packed in this cake here. You can have this for breakfast and feel like you're having a dessert. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.